10451, State of Texas versus Sebastian Lee Yanez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Wilkins for the state.
Defense.
Jason Wolf for defense.
And are you Mr. Yanez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review that with your client?
We have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Yanez, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor, and for the record, I've represented him less than 10 days, but he is ready to proceed in waiving that timeframe.
Okay. State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
All right, everyone, just have a seat. I'll call up Mr. Uresti. All right, Mr. Yanez, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with evading arrest, detention, and vehicle? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I am so sorry. I'm doing 3 things at once. Let me go back. Did you understand you have a right to jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to confront any witnesses against you and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this agreement, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into an agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, I could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Yanez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at an $800 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
state,
Yes, Your Honor.
showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, in defense, for the record, did you go through and re-sign?
I did, Judge. I went through every bit of the documentation and re-signed.
All right. Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Your Honor, I offer State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
All right,
I've
any
reviewed this with
objection?
my client, Your Honor. No objections.
Mr. Yanez, I'm showing you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports and no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge, we would waive PSI.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I have, Judge, I've only met him briefly, but in my conversations with him, he is, he's regretful for his actions. He's already self-correcting. I have no doubt that he's going to be successful. While that 2-year recommendation from the state is a low one, I think he can be successful in that timeframe. You won't see him again. We just ask that you follow the agreement.
All right, so why are you speeding in a vehicle? How old are you?
21.
I'm sorry, when?
20?
20.
Yes.
And so you speed in a vehicle, a Dodge Charger. So I guess you loved hearing the engine rev.
Sorry.
And this is just what happened. And then you crash into a tree and you take off running. And the females in the car, was one of them your girlfriend? All right, who were the 2 females to you?
Just acquaintances
All right, just random people you picked up? How do you know them?
through a friend.
All right, people just pick up. I'm just living in a different time period where people just picked up friends of a friend. Do you even know them at all?
Personally, no.
All right. And so being a gentleman, that's just out of the question for you.
No.
You crash into a tree and you leave the 2 females behind. Did you even see if they were all right, or you just said you're on your own, bye?
I don't know. Sorry.
I'm sorry, what?
I said, I don't know what was going through my head at that time.
All right, you didn't even say bye to them. You just left. And why did you take off your shoes in the parking lot? Do you think that they wouldn't be able to,
No, I'm not.
or did the crash shake you out of your shoes?
No, I guess I ran out of my shoes.
That's some fast running. Do you know what your time was? All right, maybe Olympics. I don't know.
Faster than the cops, Judge.
Yes, yeah, that's true. So are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
Oh, I help on my dad, like doing tent, because he has his own business.
All right, and who did that car belong to?
My dad.
And how did your father feel when he found out you have just crashed his vehicle? And I'm sure it's not,
It was upset.
was it a total loss?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. How far did you go in school?
I graduated high school.
What are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
Well, trying to take over my dad's business so I could expand it.
How did you get here today? Did you drive?
Yes, ma'am.
And what are you driving?
My dad's other vehicle.
And what vehicle is that?
A Tom.
So what are we going to do about his driving? So give me a day-to-day. What's your schedule? You have places you need to be?
No, yeah, just so we'll work with my dad.
All right, so this is going to be your last. Do you live with your father?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so this is going to be your last day driving for a while. I can't even believe your father would give you another vehicle to drive.
I think perhaps the father sees the regret that he has, Judge. The vehicle's important for him to keep track on his life. If perhaps maybe I suggest adding a defensive driving course for this young man. I know that the $800 fine is big. I know while the court is looking to put more on top of him, I would ask if you would consider probating a portion of that.
Oh, I'll probate the $800 fine, but as far as driving, see, this is what happened, I think. Parents too often give people vehicles and give their children vehicles and access to vehicles, and they haven't done anything to deserve it. There are people who are driving to high school in Lexuses and Cadillacs, and like the school bus is too good for them. People need to go back to letting their children be on a school bus and letting people walk to the school. I walk to school every day. Elementary school, junior high, now it's called middle school, high school, in college. I didn't get my first car until I paid for my first car. And I was in my 20s and I paid for it and I was in charge of insurance. Here you are wrecking a car into a tree. And this was August 2023, and you've already got another car that's your father's car. Yeah, he's not gonna be driving for a while. It's gonna be an $800 fine, probated.
Thank you, Judge.
He can do the defensive driving course. And they tell me you can complete that without a vehicle. There's to be no driving after April 15th. Until further notice. If you want to start driving again, you had better have completed the defensive driving course, and then your attorneys can file something and I will consider it. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. 120 hours of community service restitution. Do you have any children?
No.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Proof of employment.
You said that out loud, Judge.
Oh, no, yeah, it's good. He's not ready yet.
That's fair enough, Judge.
Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
They're-
See, and everybody's saying he's doing good. And he's going to be dirty. What are you going to be dirty for?
Just marijuana.
You know what? But I appreciate you telling me that, because many people will come before me and say, I'm going to be clean, and they know they're not.
I don't want to do that because I saw what you did to him, so I don't want. I don't want that to happen.
All right, we're going to do regular UAs and we'll test for levels. And test him every 2 weeks until the levels go down. Well, until it's a negative. And there's going to be 30 sober meetings in 30 days. Field visits, 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right.
Just have a question.
I'm sorry, just 1 second. And it'll be 2 years deferred adjudication.
Thank you.
Yes.
You said 30 days, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You have a question?
Was it okay if I drive from here?
Oh,
Or
yeah.
do I have to-
Today is going to be your last day driving. So don't go out there getting crazy because you're like, oh, it's my last day of driving. Don't do an Ed Norton, the last 24. Everybody should watch that. Or was it the last 48?
Just for clarity, Judge, can he go through a drive-through if he's not the one driving, just to be?
Oh, he can be a passenger. But I wouldn't suggest being a passenger with people you randomly know.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You're going to have to start making better decisions. Sometimes when people crash into trees, they die.
Yeah.
And now that tree is destroyed. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
25th hour, Judge.
25th hour. I knew it was either 48 or something like that. Right. Oh, and also, if you have any questions, sir, if you have any questions, communication is key to be on probation. If you feel as though probation is not addressing those issues, you can always come back to court, okay? All right, this is our last case for today until we come back in the afternoon. Thomas Uresti. Come forward, counsel. You're on Thomas Uresti. Court is calling 2024 CR 2421, State of Texas versus Thomas Uresti Jr. Could I have parties announce for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense. This hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It's now 12:31 p.m. The defendant has not appeared. Defense, where's your client?
My client has a PR bond. Tried to speak with them, find out if they've been in touch with him. I haven't been in touch with his counselor. I got his name and left a message. He did not didn't leave a phone with the PR bond people. I did leave an email address. I asked Ms. Ferguson to contact the email address. She tells me she hasn't heard her reply.
All right. In just one moment. Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement?
He's not out there, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Your Honor, we asked for a bond forfeiture.
All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand your client without bond. If your client makes an appearance, the court will reconsider. All right, thank you. All right, everyone, we're gonna be back at 2:30.